video. You are watching Phones on George with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about 2630 out there. Yes, 2630 की हम बात करें. If we talk about this variant out there, then we can say that this was a variant which was slightly different as compared to the 2610 out there. We can say they were the upgraded version. Yes, we can say this was the upgraded version of that. And when we talk about the upgradation, there has to be a lot of things which has to be upgraded, which has to change out there. And the major changes involved a lot of things and it became a better version as compared to that. So what changes it involved? It involved the changing in the weightage first. Firstly, the weightage was reduced out. Yes, from 90, we can say, to 60s, there were a drastic change in the weightage. So that was a +1 category. That's why I said that Nokia tried to always incorporate new things. It tried to evolve itself. Now talking about another factor, that is the screen type. Earlier it uses CSTN, where now it uses TFT screening. Yes, TFT is now used out here. The entire size has definitely restored back. From 1.6 you get to see 1.8, so it has restored itself again with giving a good resolution again of 114 out there, 4-way scrolling key out there, as well as screensavers, wallpapers, themes, everything remains the same. Yet again, another drawback to this variant we can say is that no expandability is there. Yes, you will not find any expandable storage capacity, whereas it offers you 11 MB storage capacity. Yes, 11 MB storage capacity is there, which helps you to store 1000 entries. Yes, you can store up to 1000 entries out there. A good advantage, major advantage, or better advantage to this variant is the camera. Yes, talking about the camera, earlier variant did not have the camera out there, so it has a camera also. No selfie camera is possible, but when you see this variant, you get to see 2.5 jack, and you get to see that a selfie camera is not possible out here. We can say these are the few things which you will not find in the previous versions. Bluetooth is there, you will not find Bluetooth in the previous version. Camera might be a VGA, but goes well with this. Yes, goes well with this variant out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you FM out there. Yes, FM is there. Talking about this variant, all the specifications are there. That remain the same. That like voice memo, organizations, document view, multimedia, everything is possible. When we talk about the battery life, that is really a good battery life. Good as compared to 2060-10. Why we say so? Because 700 mAh battery offering you 6 hours stock time is definitely a good version. Like it can be considered a good variant because 7 hours, up to 7 hours you can use the stock time. So this is good. 700 mAh battery is a okay variant for 7 hours stock time. Now talking about this variant, we can say they are available on lot of sites and with a different pricing, and those pricing might not attract you or might not be so suitable that you would like to invest that much for this variant. Since it was early 2000 model, so various sites might offer you pricing which you might not feel that is suitable for this. So talking about this kind of a site, we have got one site which offers you a great pricing and a very pocketable rate and one of the best market price out there. Yes, one of the best market price we can say. This highlighted name is the site name, which is phonezone.ae. Yes, on Google you can go and type phonezone.ae, or on in the description box there is a link, you can go there. Apart from this, you also get to see a category all mobile phones. This category offers you n number of gadgets from the reputed brands listed out there. Yes, listing of reputed brands helps you to know which gadgets. Apart from it, you get to see there's a category all mobile phones which offers you n number of gadgets, n number of devices, n number of opportunities, n number of platforms out here. Not just Nokia, but there are n number of gadgets like Apple, Samsung, Nokia, Sony, LG, n number of gadgets. This search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see that there is a category out here which says 6 months warranty out there, 7-day exchange policy. Addition to that, COD free home delivery is also there. When we talk about free home delivery, free shipping out there, In various parts of UAE, they offer about 48 hours free shipping. Like 48 hours, you will get your delivery. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but you can definitely have a free shipping and COD out there, and there are a lot of other options out there. For more offers and opportunities and to place your order, you can go on the website, which is phonezone.ae, or you can click on the number in the description box out there. These are few options out there for you. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.